Let me speak on a document, Strategies for Healthy Eating on a Budget. This document synthesizes key insights from an article on achieving a healthier diet while adhering to a budget. The core argument is that significant improvements in personal health and finances can be realized through simple, strategic food substitutions for every meal. The primary strategy involves replacing common, often processed or expensive, convenience foods with nutrient-dense, cost-effective alternatives. A recurring theme is the importance of meal preparation to preemptively combat the temptation of costly takeout and nutritionally poor impulse buys. The provided guidance offers specific actionable swaps for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, demonstrating that healthy eating is accessible and does not require significant financial investment or complex culinary skills. Introduction. The source article, Healthy Eating on a Budget, Simple Meal Swaps for a Better You by Jessica Militello, offers a practical guide for individuals seeking to improve their dietary habits without overspending. It acknowledges a common obstacle, a lack of clear starting points, and provides a structured framework of meal-by-meal suggestions. The article's central premise is that by making conscious, simple swaps, individuals can enhance their physical and mental well-being, particularly as they approach a new year. The recommendations focus on whole or minimally processed ingredients that are both nourishing and economical. Core thesis: the efficacy of simple food swaps. The foundational principle of the guide is that small, manageable changes are key to sustainable healthy eating. Instead of advocating for a complete dietary overhaul, the article proposes a series of direct substitutions. This approach targets common pitfalls, such as grabbing convenience foods on the go, ordering expensive lunches, and relying on snacks that lack nutritional value. By preparing for these moments, individuals can avoid significant drains on their finances and health. The proposed swaps are designed to increase intake of protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals while using budget-friendly staples. Detailed meal-by-meal recommendations. The article provides a comprehensive list of suggested food swaps, organized by mealtime, to facilitate easy implementation into a daily routine. Breakfast suggestions focus on replacing processed, high-carbohydrate options with more balanced, protein-rich alternatives that can be prepared quickly or in advance. Instead of try a bagel with cream cheese, whole wheat toast with cottage cheese and everything bagel seasoning, or an English muffin with mashed avocado. Pop-Tarts or frozen waffles, a quick peel banana with peanut butter, or Greek yogurt with granola and fruit, e.g. blueberries, strawberries, or banana. Grabbing a breakfast sandwich on the go meal, prepping a breakfast casserole with eggs, turkey sausage, red and green peppers and onions. This can be frozen for on-the-go meals throughout the week. Lunch recommendations are designed to counter the common habits of ordering expensive takeout or restaurant meals, which can be both costly and unfulfilling. The alternatives emphasize preparation and portability. Instead of try ordering fast food nearby the adult Lunchable, a mix of 2 hard-boiled eggs, a handful of almonds or sunflower seeds, a few slices of cheddar cheese, carrot sticks, and half an apple. Ordering fast food nearby a taco bowl, brown rice, or quinoa, canned black beans, rinsed, frozen corn, and salsa. Flavor can be enhanced by cooking rice with a bouillon cube or salsa. A spoonful of Greek yogurt can be used as a high-protein substitute for sour cream. A pricey and unfulfilling restaurant salad, a jarred salad, starting with 2 TBSP of vinaigrette dressing at the bottom, layer chickpeas, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, a protein, canned tuna, leftover chicken, or black beans, and greens like spinach or romaine lettuce. Shake into a bowl before eating. Snacks. The snacking guide focuses on keeping satisfying, nutrient-dense options on hand to prevent spending on less healthy alternatives during midday energy slumps. Instead of try savory snacks that lack nutritional value, 1/4 cup of lightly salted mixed nuts, such as almonds, pistachios, or pumpkin seeds, which are packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Combating an energy crash with candy or sweets, dried mango, apples with peanut butter, dark chocolate, or an apple with nut butter. Dinner ideas cater to individuals and families, offering inexpensive and nutritious recipes that can be made quickly or last for multiple nights. Instead of try box macaroni and cheese cottage cheese mac, blend 1 cup of cottage cheese, a 1/2 cup of cheddar, garlic powder, black pepper, and a splash of milk until smooth. Toss the sauce with hot noodles. Skillet mixes from the supermarket Mediterranean chickpea and rice skillet. Combine 2 cans of rinsed chickpeas, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 cup of rice, and 2 cups of vegetable broth. Add dried oregano, lemon juice, and olives or feta for flavor. Frozen pizza English muffin mini pizzas. Top slightly toasted whole wheat English muffins with sauce and cheese. Optional, add veggies for a nutrient boost. These can be cooked in an air fryer for 4 minutes at 375. The article effectively demystifies the process of eating healthily on a budget by providing a clear, actionable, and non-intimidating framework. Its central message is that through mindful planning and simple substitutions, a nourishing diet is an achievable goal for everyone, regardless of financial constraints. The emphasis on preparation and the use of inexpensive, versatile ingredients empowers individuals to take control of their health and spending by replacing costly convenience foods with wholesome, homemade alternatives.